from the capital because the Delhi police has intensified the hunt for Swami Chityananda Saraswati, who is the key accused in the molestation case where he is believed to be changing his appearance and also avoiding electronic devices. Now, investigators say that he tampered with CCTV evidence, he exploited students and misused the institute's funds to buy luxury vehicles. The police are also tracking his movements and a lookout circular has been issued. Now, students at the Management Institute were allegedly sexually assaulted and verbally abused by the molester Baba Chaitanyanand Saraswati. Now, out of 32 complaints, 17 people have recorded statements and an FIR has been filed. The Baba, who has a prior record from 2019, is still on the run. The entire Delhi police is on the lookout for him. As per sources, his last known location was somewhere near Agra. Now, investigations are also revealing that Swami Chaitanyananda allegedly turned his office into a secret chamber to abuse students with the help of the dean and 2 staffers. Now, victims include those who come under the EWS program. They were reportedly silenced by confiscating certificates and they were taken to Haridwar under the pretext of religious rituals, with abuse continuing on their return to Delhi. Now, the molester Baba, that is Chaitanyananda Saraswati, who is accused of mass sexual assault, he remains at large. The police say that he may be evading capture by tampering with CCTV footage. He's frequently changing his locations. He's avoiding electronic devices and also changing his appearance to evade the law. Now, these are the latest developments we are tracking, and there's more breaking news coming in. The hunt is on for the molester Baba. The breaking news update that we are getting here, that Saraswati has also applied for bail. The bail hearing is expected shortly. There is an advocate by the name of Ajay Barman who's going to represent him. But on your screens, take a look at these pictures. These are representative pictures that we've put out, where we're trying to tell you how the molester Baba is changing his appearance to evade arrest. These are the kind of get-ups that that the police suspect that he possibly must be putting up to ensure that he's not recognized by agencies. He's been on the run for hours. My colleague Priyank is with us. Priyank, the Delhi police is on the lookout for this molester Baba. Now we are also getting to know that he has applied for bail. What do we know about his whereabouts?
See, Sagarika, since 27th of last month, he's been on the run since the time the FIR was filed. He was in London when the victims gathered courage to report this matter to the authority, which led to filing of the FIR before the Delhi police. Right now, what we know that his last location was in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, and since then he has been on the run. But he has been using legal remedies. Anticipatory bail hearing is right now being happening in the Patiala House Court, where his counsel have been trying to secure anticipatory bail for the accused. So they will certainly use all these legal remedies, knowing the fact that his conduct was also of a criminal behavior. He was accused in several FIRs since 2009. Then 2015, and total FIRs are 5 against him. This is what we know as of now. So this individual is using the legal remedies. Let's see what would be the observation from the court, and that will further decide the course of action.
Priyank, for viewers who have just joined us on this broadcast, as we report the developments with regards to the investigation, how many hours has it been since he is on the run, since the FIR was filed, and since the case has, taken place?
Sagarika, we'll have to do the calculation, obviously, because it's been a month since the time period he has been on the run. So if you calculate it, more than 700 hours for the Delhi police officials, 720 hours to be very precise, since he has been on the run. But his last location has been changing. Yesterday, we also broke an information that he has been changing faces. This is what the cops have been suspecting. But all eyes are there on the court observation, because he has stopped using his electronic devices like mobile phone. So it will be some more time for the Delhi police to nab him, but court observation will be very important.
Yes, so the focus is going to be on what happens in the court as the molester Baba, facing heat from the police and from agencies, has now applied for anticipatory bail. The Delhi police now says that they will arrest this man soon. Like Priyank has been telling you, it's been over a month already since he's been on the run. Take a look at this report filed by my colleague Priyank.
For many months, the students who were coming here for the management course at this institute, which is related to a very prominent peak in certain part of the country, were sexually assaulted and there were verbal abuse which was also made towards them. The accused had been identified as Chintanand Saraswati, who was teaching here. This is a particular institute where this alleged incident happened. What we have got to know that out of 32, 17 complainants have already recorded their statement before the police official. There were multiple courses which were being run under this particular premises, which includes the research as well as the management courses. These were the batch of 36 students who were repeatedly verbally abused by the accused, following to which they gave a complaint to the management, and on 4th the management finally complained it to the local authorities, which led to filing of an FIR. The police officers also took the victims to the Patiala House Court, where their statement has been recorded under the relevant sections of CRPC. And what is also important, that since then he is on the run. We know that he was using a high-end vehicle with an embassy registration number vehicle, which was certainly used to show and throw his clout among those people who were meeting him. But his background is also important, because in 2019 also there were cases filed against him. Right now he is on the run, and his last location was traced near Agra. Delhi police is saying that very soon the accused